Okay, Tad's muffler broke while going over some bumps, towing it. So I'm going to try to patch it. I got a couple things here. I don't want to get a whole new muffler assembly because you have to take all these panels off in the back door. And it's quite a feat. So I'll try these. Hopefully that'll hold it. Okay, this is my mess. Got it jacked up. That piece of wood underneath, that firewood underneath the tire, just in case the jack were to fail. Everything's wedged. I even wedged the muffler so it would stay in the position I wanted it to be. And I did this. Got this at AutoZone. It's kind of cobbled, but we're going to start it up and see if it's going to work. It's not on all the way, but we'll see if it's helped. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see how loud it is, or not loud it is. Sounds normal. I think we did it. Alright. Oh, my redneck fix worked. It's working out good. Come on up there. Get down. Come on. The ladder's right here. You got up there. Okay, another project. I have to go up on the roof and replace 3 of these running lights up front. I think hopefully I got everything I need, so I don't have to keep coming back down. Okay, the only way these come out is with the pliers. So I'm gonna have to get a pliers around those and yank them out. Get it out. So now we're just gonna snip it up here. Snip it up here so we have as much wire as possible. This we don't need because we have a new gasket on here. Okay, I'm assuming yellow is yellow and black is white. So that's how we're going to hook it up. Damn it. Twisty, twisty. Okay, I have these temporarily attached. I'm going to have Lisa turn on the lights, see if it works. Okay, that is the correct color coding. Yellow to yellow, white to black. Alright, they are working, so I will stuff these back in. And they did have some glue around this, but I don't think... Well, maybe I will need glue. It goes in too easy. Let's turn this on and see if it works. Okay, looks like I just have one more to replace. That one wasn't burnt out before. Anyways, let's get up there and do it. Okay, looks like we got them all working. There's that other one. Can't see the one on the end. Anyway, they are. They're working. I think it's a groundhog. Yeah, you sucker. We're gonna get you. Hey there, so I have to show you something real quick. I got this really cool solar light off a TikTok shop. I've been really impressed with the TikTok shop lately. I've gotten a few things from them. This is a really big light and it's really bright. Solar powered. You can also plug it in and charge it USB. It comes with a mounting bracket with screws. Even has these tape things you can stick and hang them with. Here's the USB instructions and a remote control. It does different colors, red, green, blue. It does different brightnesses, and it has 3 different modes. So, yeah, this is going to be really cool. I've tried it out. Here, it gets so bright. That's not even the brightest, but I'll film it here at night and you can see there's the red, the green, the blue. It doesn't show up as bright on camera, but believe me, it's pretty bright. And then, of course, white. And then you can dim it. So yeah, gonna be giving that a try, because these ones that I bought a while ago, they've lasted 2 or 3 years. 3 years. I put magnets on the back, but you know, they don't last forever. They eventually wear out, but these are still actually working. I put them on motion at night, but what I like about this is I don't need to do magnets. I can clip this anywhere. You know, if we're camping somewhere, can put them up here, clip them anywhere, clip them on the handle there, on the door. So yeah, I really like that. It's pretty cool. Isn't that neat? Anyways, thought I'd show you that. It's like Christmas here when I get a package. I love it. Let's see what his work looks like down here. He's up the street doing another one up there. Let's see what this looks like. How did he do that? How the heck? It must have been shooting water or something in there. That was like a giant vacuum cleaner. I don't know how he did that. Well, I started a project yesterday. I ordered these from Amazon. Well, let me show you what they are. It is basically one of the new puck lights. And as you can see, it's a little bigger. I don't know if you can tell. It's a little bigger than the original. But why I ordered these is because they dim. The originals are about this bright, as you can see. Let me show you. See how bright that is? It's hard to tell on video, but you can dim this so it's not so bright. Plus, you can also have a night. Anyways, it has a blue light. Let's see if we can get the blue light to come on. There we go, there's the blue light. Has a blue light, which is nice. Or you can just have it dim. So I'm replacing, I bought 4 of them. I'm doing the ones back here in the bedroom area. And then the other 2 I'll put maybe above the dinette. We'll see. But that's the project for the day. Do this one next. This job literally takes 2 or 3 minutes. It's not bad at all. As you can see, you just replace what's there. You may have to, the color coding of the wires is not necessarily correct. You may have to try it one way, and if that doesn't work, try it the other way. You will not get shocked. This is only 12 volt, so you can do it without disconnecting the batteries or anything like that. Okay, and another order I just got this. This is a screen. I never got around to putting a screen on the refrigerator vent, so I'm going to put that on. I did get a screen for this, but I never got around to that one, so I got that. I also ordered some sealant because I really want to make sure that I can repair any caulking around the seams here. I might have to start doing some of that. So, and then I also got, this was like only 40 bucks, 40 or 50 bucks, a good buffer, because I do want to do a better job on polishing this and waxing it and really protecting it, because it just takes a lot to keep this shiny, and I want to make sure I do it right again, better this time. Anyway, let's get these put on. Okay, that's apparently how they go on. Not too bad, but there still is a gap there. I think I can maybe fold the screen over a little bit. It's not perfect, but it'll work. Well, it took about 5 minutes to do that. As you can see, I kind of bent over the wire a little bit so it fills in that gap a little better. I don't know if it'll work, but I haven't had a problem in 2 years with this anyways. So let's get that back on. There we go. Looks good. Should work well. That project's done. Oh yeah, that'll work nicely. That is nice. Sanding pads. Probably won't ever use those. Wow. I think it was like 42, 44 bucks on Amazon. Wool pads, you get 3 wool pads, those are what I need. These not so much, maybe to put wax on. Wow. Wow, Velcro, alright. Makes it easy. Let's put this together. Wow, it even came with, what are these, brushes for the motor? In case you need, huh. Wow. But this is really nice. This is really nice. Put the handle on it. It comes with 2 different handles. You can either use the side handle. I think I'm going to use this one. Oh yeah. It's not going to be an easy job, but at least this will make it a little easier. It's the job I wasn't looking forward to, but we'll get started on that here when it cools off. Also comes with this, it also comes with this nice towel. It's like a terry cloth in this nice case. So yeah. Yeah, that's nice. One last thing I wanted to show you I got from the TikTok shop. This is it's kind of hard to do it one-handed, but to open your cans of pop and beer and stuff, you just go like this. Opens it up, and then when you want to let's say you don't want to drink it all, or you want to protect it and you're outside and you want bees or anything getting in it, just click it down. Yeah, there you go. And it protects your beverage. It's kind of neat. They're like $1 each, 80 cents each. They come in a pack of 6 or a pack of 12. Neat little thing. Neat little invention. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Say bye.